Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So just to do that, first we should open the settings application and then tap here to mobile data section. Then we should click here to the SIM pin, and just to log our SIM card with pin code we should click here only once on the switcher, and now just you should enter the pin code. For example, in my case that will be from 1 to 4. After that you should click here to done, and that's it. Now we can see that this switcher is activated, so we just successfully add SIM pin to SIM card on our iPhone 14 Pro. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.